Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Basically, you start out with massive amounts of data. You say, how are we going to analyze this? Well, let's fire up a pivot table and see if we can solve this problem.
Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Well, hey, let's take another look at Excel 2010. I know a couple of weeks ago we went through a few of the new features in Excel 2010. Of course, we still have the ribbon in Excel 2010 like they had in Excel 2007. The one cool thing, and I'll talk about this tomorrow, is that we can customize the ribbon. But the one thing that changed dramatically with the ribbon, and I want you to think about this conceptually, most things on the ribbon are things that we're doing to our document. So we're selecting some cells, changing the color, and seeing how that affects the document. And so those are all features that Microsoft is calling in features. Those are things that we're working on the document, we want to see the results of the document, but they really think that everything on the File menu is different than that. It's not things that we're doing inside of the document, it's things that we're doing to the document. Okay, so now the document is done, and we're going to send it somewhere or print it or something like that. So let's take a look at the File menu, the old Office button. Now this is going to be renamed File in the final version of Excel 2010. You see that it now takes up the full screen, the File menu, and we have all the things that we can do to the document. So if we come into Save As, just do a quick test here. But they have various options. So as we go through, for example, New, they show us all of the different templates available on Office Online. If we go into Print, right here, Print Preview is available right in this Backstage View, and a lot of the print options are available here. Excel Options is still found here, and our list of recently used documents is still here. So everything that used to be on the Office button is here. It's kind of expanded. I like how they've given us a much larger view. Like for example with Print, we can actually see the Print Preview as we go through and adjust the various printer options. A very cool feature. Now this currently is being called the Backstage View, or the Out options, the things that we're not doing inside of the document, but things that we're doing outside the document. Of course, this will be here in 2010 in both Word, PowerPoint, Excel, all of those. Currently, you have to press back to get back. I understand that in the later builds, this is an early beta, this is the technical preview. In the later builds, they're actually going to show the other ribbon tabs there. So that's what we have behind the Office button. Kind of cool here that you can customize this, so people will actually be able to add new sections here with their own custom items over on the right-hand side. Fairly cool feature of the new Backstage View in Excel 2010. Hey, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel. Well,
thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.